Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some quick and simple pistachio turkey salad. I'm using leftover turkey from that Thanksgiving turkey video I made before. Those are my other ingredients, so let's get started. Alright you guys, so in this bowl right here I have 5 bread and butter pickles that I chopped up in here. You can use sweet relish if you prefer. To this I'm going to add some stone ground grainy mustard. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. However, you guys, this is to taste. So just do you. Taste as you go and do you. You're going to add some mayo. Yes, you could use non-fat plain Greek yogurt. If you do not like or use mayo, that's totally fine. Alright, then I'm going to add some lemon juice down in here. Cut side up so I don't get any seeds. This one doesn't look like it has any seeds in it. So I could just squeeze and go. I'm going to start with half, mix it all up and taste it before I add the other half. I like that little bite to it. I'm only going to season this up with some pepper, black pepper. And I'm also going to use this rotisserie chicken seasoning. You can use all-purpose or you can use seasoning salt or even salt. But I'm not using regular salt. Mix this up really well, and we're going to pour this over all the other ingredients. Alright you guys, so to your turkey you're going to add some pistachios. These were peeled pistachios. I put peeled and roasted. I put a little rough chop on that. They're also salted, which is why I'm not adding actual salt to this dish. I'm also going to put some green grapes down in here that I put a rough chop on. You're going to add scallions and red peppers. Red bell peppers. And then you're going to add the dressing down in here. I know the amount I made, so I know I'm going to need all of it. Hoping I don't have to make any more. But add it right down in there. And you're going to give this a good mix and allow it to sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You know, I like to let it sit and chill and marry with each other. And you'll also mix this up. Ooh, this is pretty. This is sweet. This is tangy, crunchy from the pistachios. Of course, you can use other kinds of nuts, but we've all had those before. So today I wanted to try it with pistachios, so that's what I did. This is also a fun way to use up all that leftover turkey. It doesn't have to be just the breast. I use all breast, which is what I had in here. I had a breast and a half from that turkey left over. And that's what I used in here. And it's nice, bright, and pretty. So I'm going to let this chill in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like right here. I'm serving it up with some crackers. This is probably going to be an appetizer for dinner today. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy. It's perfect for entertaining, which is what I'm doing today. And yeah, make this recipe. It's so easy and simple. The lemons definitely preserve your turkey. This is day 5, I believe, after I've made this turkey. So this is exactly why I added the lemons. You can absolutely add some apple cider vinegar. Just something citrusy or something like that to preserve your turkey while it's in the salad. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Super delicious, fresh, bright, easy, and a nice little touch with the pistachios. So if you give it a try, let me know what you think. Take pictures, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.